All right, y'all. So I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick little vlog right now. Today is January 2nd, man. And today I got the ZV-1 back in, shipped it out on January 18th. It came back today. And immediately when I got it, opened up the box, I took it out. I put a memory card in it to make sure it worked and so forth. I threw a battery in there. And I turned it on, and I was nervous when I turned it on because I was just so used to it not working, saying that the memory card wasn't going to be able to be read and that the camera would just keep turning on and off, man. But as soon as I put the battery and turned it on, boom, everything started working really fine, man. I had to set it up all over again because it was back to factory settings and all of that. But once I got it somewhat set up, yeah, I felt more confident about the camera. I still have to go back through it and set up my memory recalls and all of that stuff because I lost all my settings. And honestly, I've been messing with the camera for the last, I don't know, like hour or so. And I'm just trying to get myself back familiar with it. I put everything back together as far as my tripod. I put the hand grip back on it. I threw all of the things that I had on it prior. I put it all back on the ZV-1. So right now, what you're looking at right now is me actually talking to you guys, you know, to the ZV-1 right now. And to be honest with you, man, I couldn't be more happy with my ZV-1. I'm glad that I got it back in house, and because I have the 90D and I have my ZV-1 back, I can now, you know, this year try to get into doing a little bit more vlogging with the ZV-1 and so forth, because it's going to be an easy, quick camera to set up, and I can kind of leave my 90D stationary and only pull that out when I need it for something big, as far as like my kids' games, you know, shooting photos and stuff like that, which I can do a little bit of that stuff with the ZV-1. But, you know, I prefer to use the 90D for the big stuff and keep the ZV-1 for more of like the small, little quick stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to give you guys that quick update to let you know that the ZV-1 is back in house. We have it back. It's working. It only cost $286 to get it fixed, and I think that's way better than spending over, you know, $400 or buying a whole new camera for $698. So real quick video, real quick vlog, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little update, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here, man. Peace.